Hello friends, how are all of you? Hope you are doing well. I'm fine. Today I have come again with idioms and phrase part 2. I have told you earlier that what is idioms and phrase. Idioms is a group of words that works as parts of a speech. It means figurative. That means idiom doesn't mean directly, or the meaning of word is not seen directly. Idiom is ornament of language. So while you are writing something in English, at that time if you can use idioms and phrases, that will be more impressive your writing at the time. So it is very much important to have knowledge of idioms and phrase. So let's get started. Gift of the gab, that means eloquence or fluency. He has gap of the gap, that means he can talk everywhere. Go astray or go to the dog. To go to the hell, he is going to stray, or he is going to the dog, or he is going to the hell. Go through, to read well or properly. He goes through his lessons. Skim through, to read at a glance. Some people read the headlines of newspaper. Some people skim through the headline of the newspaper. That means go through, to read properly. Skim through, not to read properly, or to read at a glance, or to see at a glance only. 6. Host in oneself or 10 to 1. He is host in himself. That means he can do the activity of 100 persons or 100 people. 7. In a dilemma. He faces many problems. He is in dilemma. Hurly-burly, noise or rush. I don't like hurly-burly. Hold goat, acceptable or accepted. This system holds good here. In a nutshell, in short. In short, please tell the story. Hows and whats. Hows and whats, reasons and results. I know hows and whats of this matter. 12. In lieu of or instead of. Everybody is writing Bengali. Instead of writing Bengali, I am writing English. 13. In full swing. Everything is going on in full swing. That means everything is running smoothly. 14. In vogue. Not seen at present. The tradition is in vogue. That means the tradition is not seen. 15. Jack of all trades. To know everything. It seems that he is a jack of all trades. Kith and kin. I help my kith and kin. Kith and kin means relatives. 17. Lag behind. Unable to progress. We should not lag behind in learning English. 18. Lame excuse, false reason. Don't show lame excuse. 19. Likely to, possibility. He is likely to come here. It is likely to rain. Loam lards, a problem. And burn pollution, loams lards. 21. Make good, to pay for damage. We should make good for the damage. 22. Maiden speech or fast lecture. It was my maiden speech in life, so that's why I felt nervous. Make room, to arrange a place. Please make a room on the bench. or on the table. In this way. 24. Of late, recently, of late, he has come here. 25. Nip in the bud, to damage at the beginning. His dreams nipped in the bud. 26. Master strong, together, people mastered strong there. 27. On the eve, before, on the eve of Victory Day, people prepare themselves. 28. Once for all, for the last time, he came here once for all. 29. Out and out, out and he is out and out a bad man. 30. Out of sorts, out of sorts, that means ill. He is out of sorts today. 31. Pass away, to die, he passed away last year. 32. Pros and cons, everything I know, pros and cons of this matter. 33. Put out or blow out, we put out the candle there. 34. Rainy day or hard days, we should save something for rainy day. 35. Scapegoat, to accuse an honest man instead of accusing the real culprit. He has been made a scapegoat, though he did not do the crime. 36. Scot-free, escape without any problem. The thief escaped scot-free. 37. Set out, to start journey, we set out our journey. 38. Silver lining, good days, every cloud has a silver lining. Every person has a silver lining or good days in life. 39. Slip of the pen, unwillingly he has mistaken there in writing. Slip of the pen. In the same way, unwillingly he has done something wrong in speaking, that is slip of the tongue. 41. Spare no pains, he didn't leave any attempt, he spared no pains to do the work. 42. Summer friends, the friends whom we get in our good days. I don't like summer friends. Swan song, last writing. The Tempest is Shakespeare's last writing. In this way, The Tempest is Shakespeare's swan song. 44. Take heart, to dare, he has taken her to do the work. 45. Take over, to take charge, he has taken over the charge. 46. Toil and moil, we have to undergo toil and moil to prosper in life. 47. Watery grave, they made a watery grave, that means they drowned and they lost their life. Drowning in the river. 48. Wear and tear, damage, we have to pay for wear and tear. 49. Well and we, sorrow and happiness, or happiness and sorrow. Well and we, happiness and sorrow are part of life. Well off, solvent, he is a well off person. What not, many more things, he bought a pen, a book, and what not. Make sense, to have argument, it does not make sense here, or your argument doesn't make sense here. Make out, to understand. we have to make out the fact. Look up to find word in dictionary. I am looking a word up in the dictionary. Look over to evaluate exam script. The teacher is looking over the exam script. Look for, search for. I am looking for a job. Look into the police. The police looked into the case. 58. Lose heart. We should not lose heart in our problem. 49. Long for or expect for. We long for a good day. 60. Lay down to sacrifice. They laid down their lives for the country. I think, friends, you have enjoyed much. Please watch the video or the lesson time and again to understand properly. At first, write down the idioms and write the sentences in which way I have told you or I have given you an example. I will come back again with another lesson. If you think my lesson is useful, please subscribe to my channel. I will come back again with another lesson. Till then, bye bye.